short passage and answer the questions.
Let's read. I had a very cute pet. It plays the ball. It barks, arf, arf. It wags its tail. We always play in the backyard. I love my pet. His name is Bingo. Now it's your turn. Read the words when they get green. Ready? Begin. Now I want you to get your pad paper and answer the questions by writing the correct letter. Pause this video and get ready. Let's begin. Question number 1. What is my pet? Letter A, dog. Letter B, cat. Letter C, bird. Write your answer now. Number 2. What is true about my pet? Letter A, it sings. Letter B, it barks. Letter C, it talks. Write your answer now. Number 3. What is the story about? Letter A, my pet. Letter B, the tail. Letter C, play. Write your answer now. Are you done? If you're done, let's check your work. Number 1 question. What is my pet? The answer is letter C. My pet is a dog. Number 2. What is true about my pet? The answer is letter B. My pet barks. Number 3. What is the story about? The answer is letter A. The story is about my pet. Are you correct?
Great! Be kind to one another. Ephesians 4:32.